We've got another powerhouse herb for you today that can help protect and boost your health in so many ways. Our guest herb today is oregano. Oregano oil is derived from the oregano plant, scientifically known as Oreganum vulgare. It's a fantastic natural product. This incredible plant has a unique and delightful scent that has been cherished for centuries in various fields such as culinary arts, healthcare, and beauty products due to its remarkable positive effects on our well-being. Did you know that oregano oil is not only a powerful antioxidant, but it also boasts impressive antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties? It's truly a remarkable oil. With its unique set of abilities, this tool becomes an invaluable asset in combating a vast range of illnesses and conditions. Let's dive right into the incredible health benefits and versatile uses of oregano oil. Great for fighting bacteria. Did you know that bacteria can be found on and in so many places? They're everywhere and all around us. On our skin, in our noses, and even inside our bodies. Not all bacteria is harmful, as a lot of the bacteria in us benefits us. However, at times when harmful bacteria does invade our bodies, it can be quite overwhelming to handle. Here's where oregano oil can come to the rescue. Carvacrol, one of its active ingredients, has been found to effectively neutralize a variety of harmful bacteria and their biofilms. It's amazing how this product can effectively eliminate bacteria that is responsible for various issues like acne, bad breath, food poisoning, ear infections, bladder, and urinary tract infections, and even pneumonia. It's truly amazing. Helps ease upper respiratory symptoms and conditions. Did you know that oregano oil is a natural respiratory illness remedy? It's super effective in relieving symptoms of upper respiratory tract conditions like colds, flus, sinusitis, bronchitis, asthma, and allergies. Pretty cool, right? Oregano contains a natural component called rosmarinic acid that has the power to alleviate congestion in your nasal passages and lungs. It does this by gently thinning out excess mucus secretions. How cool is that? According to research, this could potentially be beneficial in reducing the spread of infection in the body by enhancing the removal of respiratory tract secretions like phlegm, mucus, and pus from infected lungs or sinuses. Oregano oil also has another wonderful benefit. It acts as an antispasmodic agent, which means it can help relax the muscles around your airways. This can make breathing a whole lot easier for you. Helps control inflammation. Here's another amazing benefit that oregano oil has. It can actually help reduce inflammation in your body by stopping pro-inflammatory mediators. This means it can help ease pain, stiffness, and swelling caused by conditions like arthritis or osteoporosis. Oregano oil's anti-inflammatory properties can also be quite helpful in reducing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. This makes it a potential treatment option for inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. That's great news for lots of people. Fights off fungal infections. Lots of people don't know that fungal infections are actually quite common and can be contagious. These conditions can have an impact on the skin, nails, or scalp, resulting in itchiness or discomfort. They can also be a source of discomfort in the mouth or throat. There are several types of fungal infections that you might come across, such as jock itch, ringworm, athlete's foot, yeast infection, and thrush. Did you know that oregano oil has an incredible fungal fighting component called thymol? This powerful component is known for its ability to eliminate a host of harmful fungal-based microbes. Helps soothe stomach problems. Did you know that oregano can actually assist with digestive issues? It's true. This little wonder can work wonders for your tummy troubles. So if you're feeling a bit off in the digestive department, give oregano a try and see if it helps. Oregano oil is absolutely fantastic when it comes to treating digestive issues. It's often used to help with abdominal cramps, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. Additionally, it has the potential to alleviate acid reflux symptoms by soothing stomach muscles and decreasing inflammation in the esophagus. Because oregano oil has some amazing natural antibacterial properties, it can actually help when treating a condition called small intestine bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO. This happens when bacteria from the large intestine decides to make their way into the small intestine. But don't worry, oregano oil can lend a hand in fighting off this condition. Great for treating or preventing parasitic infections. By now, you've seen that oregano oil has some amazing benefits, right? Well, it gets even better. It can even be used to treat or prevent parasitic infections, such as pinworms and tapeworms. It's definitely worth considering if you're dealing with any pesky parasites. These little parasitic organisms can sometimes cause inflammation, which can lead to symptoms like fatigue, headaches, muscle aches, and joint pain. In some cases, if left untreated, they can even cause more serious problems like liver damage, or in rare cases, even death. We don't recommend you to try to treat a parasitic infection completely on your own. If you know or suspect you have a parasitic infection, it's important to get treatment as soon as possible. When using oregano, you usually only need to use a few drops diluted with water. If you want to apply it topically, just mix it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. In addition to the traditional liquid form, you have the option of buying oregano oil extract in convenient capsule or pill form. Just a friendly reminder, it's important to note that there's a distinction between oil of oregano and oregano essential oil. The latter is highly concentrated and not recommended for ingestion. Keep in mind also that wild oregano has higher concentrations of carvacrol, which is an antibacterial agent, and thymol, which is an antifungal agent. However you choose to use it, this humble oil can be a fantastic addition to your natural health toolkit. It's always a good idea to have a chat with your doctor before trying out oregano oil, especially if you're taking any other medications. Also, if you happen to have any allergies to mint, basil, sage, or lavender, it's best to steer clear of using it. It's also important to avoid using oregano oil if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Thanks so much for tuning in with us today at Home Remedy Rescue. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to stay up to date on our newest videos. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We love coming up with new and exciting ideas to produce even more amazing content. See you in the next video. Please be wise, be well, and take care.